Hello, everyone. I have been focusing on reorganizing my craft room, and I want to share with you how I turned my desk from this to this. It has been a mission, just reorganizing everything in my craft room, and each week I would like to share with you for the next few weeks how I've organized various systems in my craft room. We moved into this new house about a year ago, and I did have unpackers do it. However, I did not supervise the unpack at all. And so it was set up in a way that they thought was best. And so finally, after finishing my PhD, after having a new baby, I am finally getting the time to reorganizing this room in a way that makes complete sense for me, and it's aesthetically pleasing and absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited to share it with you. So I'm going to kick things off in this video with my desk organization or my setup and why I decided to set it up this way. I will show you tidying up what my desk was before, and then there'll be the grand reveal at the end. So thank you so much for being here. Please share with me in the comments down below if you're working on any craft room reorganizing processes at the moment. If you're wanting to do a desk refresh while watching this video, that would be nice. And then let's just have some chats going around your best craft organization tips. Let's get right into today's video. So I started things off by going through all the items on my desk. I have a few kits that I was working on for Ali Edwards. The storyteller kit is out there. I have some Week in the Life kits on my desk. So my first task was to get all of these things back into their original packaging, because that's how I like to keep them, and back into their big envelope. Once I was done with that, I was able to move on to the next step. So now I'm just packing away all of my favorite tools. I found a bangle, washi tape, just a ton of things that just lie on my desk that really shouldn't be there. I have a tool kit that I use, a little pouch really with some of my favorite tools. I usually keep that close to my desk. So I'm just packing away all those things, and then I'll remove all of the desk. I've had some white background pieces on my desk, and I don't know why. For the past few years I didn't think to just get a really nice desk mat in place of these like plasticky backgrounds. And so I was like, oh yeah, let's get rid of these because they have lots of paint and alcoholic inks and stains on the back from over the years. But I was finally ready to move on and get rid of it. So for me, one of the biggest tasks was putting away my week in the life items, which I had already done the setup for my album, and so I needed to put those in. Now, because I create content and the projects are sometimes very close together, I don't always get to put things away before starting a new one. Like I'm really just creating a space on my desk. I keep the white part of my desk clear because that's where the camera focuses, but then I put little piles around. And so my vision for the desk moving forward, and especially for this desk reset, was to have a clear desk at all times. And so even though I was reorganizing my craft room, for the majority of the reorganization process, I still kept my desk clear so that I can create. And I feel like for me, that's what makes it the most functional. And that's when I feel least cluttered and my best self. So I'm just packing these things away into the original packaging. I have stamps, I have chipboards, and I'm just so excited that I could finally get the time to go through all of this and just pack them neatly away. It was such a fun collection this year. I loved playing with them and setting my album up and participating in this project. But now it's time to move on and to clear my desk and refresh it for the rest of the year and getting ready for December daily and the rest of my other projects. So now I am putting my new desk mat down, which I really love. It is a white kind of pleather mat, and it's nice and sleek and makes my desk looks really lovely. And then I am going through and I got a new lamp, which I really love. So just putting that up. It's a nice linen and stone lamp. And then I added my photo frame with my family and a phone holder, which is quite fun. I popped my laptop and mouse back on, and I got this really cool desk riser with a drawer from IKEA, which I really love. And I thought that would look really nice on my desk because of the white and wooden finish as well. And I also got this tissue holder and some hand cream because we always need hand cream when we're doing these videos. So I love how it all turned out. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like a vase of flowers, but I did pull some from one of my shelves to see how it would look. I feel like I would get another ribbed one, and I have some more neutral tone flowers, which I think would tone better for my desk. But I just kind of wanted to play with it and see how I like it. And I do think I like just the variation in height on that side of the desk as well. So that's it, guys. This is the final look of my desk. I am holding the camera to show you some close-ups of the pieces as well. And I hope that you've really enjoyed this video. I can't wait to continue sharing with you my craft room organization. As you can see, I've been doing it in steps, and I have gotten quite a ways with these different parts of my craft room, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So thank you so much for being here. Please comment below with any questions you have. And I will see you in the next one. Oh, this is the drawer, by the way. So I just have some notepads, notebooks, SD cards, and hand cream in the drawer, and I'll add a few other things. And probably for the grand craft room tour, I will show you again, and you'll see if there anything that has changed. So see you. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.